CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.